This is the life of a bodybuilder. If you are watching this right now, you're probably not like this guy. However, if you want to lose weight, there are real proven methods to achieve your weight loss goal. As a matter of fact, you're in luck. You don't have to be a bodybuilder to be in good shape. Today we're going to share with you 3 powerful foods that can help speed up your weight loss journey. Stay tuned and stay to the end for a bonus. So, let's dive right into it. First up on our list is avocado. Not only is it incredibly delicious, but it's also packed with healthy fats and fiber. They contain a compound called oleic acid, which can help reduce belly fat. Avocados will keep you feeling fuller for longer, reducing those hunger pangs and preventing overeating. Add this creamy fruit to your salads, sandwiches, or simply enjoy it on its own as a tasty snack. They also increase the production of a hormone called GLP-1, which helps control appetite, and they're also rich in nutrients that are often lacking in many people's diets, including magnesium, B6, vitamin C, vitamin E, and folate. Say goodbye to crash diets and hello to a healthier you with this powerhouse of a food. Salmon. The magnificent salmon. This fishy delight is a true weight loss champion. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon boosts your metabolism and reduces inflammation, making it easier to shed those extra pounds. Salmon is not only great for weight loss, but also for overall heart health. And as an aspiring cardiologist, I know how important that is to keep your heart in good shape. By incorporating salmon into your diet, you'll feel satisfied and energized, all the while aiding in your weight loss journey. Packed with vitamins, a 3-ounce portion of salmon supplies 2.6 micrograms of vitamin B12, which is more than 100% of your daily needs for the vitamin, per the NIH, which is the National Institutes of Health. Not to mention, it's a protein powerhouse that keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Grill it, bake it, or enjoy it in a salad. Your taste buds and waistline will thank you. Next we have kale, the ultimate superfood. This leafy green powerhouse is low in calories but high in nutrients. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it an excellent addition to your weight loss plan. Kales are the secret weapon to shedding those unwanted pounds. They're packed with antioxidants and help reduce inflammation in the body. Load up your plate with these fabulous veggies, and you'll be on your way to reaching your weight loss goals in no time. Green tea. This ancient beverage has been consumed for centuries for its numerous health benefits. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which have been shown to increase metabolism and fat burning and low in calories. It also boosts the production of an enzyme that helps break down fat. Enjoy a cup of green tea in the morning or throughout the day to reap its weight loss benefits. You are what you eat. So there you have it. 3 powerful foods to accelerate your weight loss. Avocados, salmon, and leafy greens are not only tasty, but also super effective. Incorporate these into your diet and watch the pounds melt away. Remember, sustainable weight loss is all about making healthy choices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome tips on living a healthier life. Your health begins with you. Your health matters.